Dear students, today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 1.1. Question is plot the following points on Cartesian plane. The given points are 3, 5, minus 4, 3, 2, minus 5 and minus 3, minus 5. At first we draw rough sketch of Cartesian plane here so that it will be easier for us to draw in graph paper. This side maximum is here 3 minus 4 minus 3 2. So this side maximum is 3 unit, and towards left side maximum is minus 4 2 minus 3 means minus 4, and upside we have to look on the second element of every order pair. There is 5, here is 3, above is positive, so we have to look for positive. So maximum is 5, and towards down minus 5 minus 5, and below is minus 5. Now it will be easier for us to draw Cartesian plane in graph paper. Here I am going to use marker so that it will be easier for you to see clearly, but you have to use pencil while drawing Cartesian plane on graph paper. Where this side is towards left is 4 units, so 1 2 3 4. I am leaving here 5 units, 2 3 4 5, and up is 5, so 1 2 3 4 5. This much is sufficient for this. This side is y dash, this side is y, this side is x dash, this side is x. Now this side we have to write positive values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. This side positive 1 2 3 4 5 6. This side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6. First point that we have to plot is 3 5. Another is minus 4 3. Another is C minus this is 2 minus 5, and D is minus 3 minus 5. For this plotting 3 and 5, we have, as we know, this first element of this order pair represent the number on x-axis. 3 lies towards this right side of x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. 3 and 5. 3 towards x-axis, 3 units towards x-axis, and 5 units towards y-axis. Means 5 is positive, so we have to move up 1 2 3 4 5. So joining point of this 3 and 5 is here. So this is the plotting point for 3 5. And minus 4 3. Minus 4 is in x-axis, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, and 3 is on y-axis 1 2 3. So this is plotting point for minus 4 3. Another is 2 minus 5 2, then 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Here is 2 minus 5 2 minus 5. is 2 minus 5. Another is minus 3 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 here and minus 5 here. Meeting point of this is here. So this is our last one, minus 3 minus 5. In this way we have plotted. We have to write here figure plotting of order pairs on graph. We can write here question number A, this is question number B, this is question number C, and this is question number D. Now we are going to use another method, that is plotting these points separately on different Cartesian plane. For this A 3 5 in Cartesian plane we need number towards right and up only. So this side we don't need any number, so we draw like this. This side we don't need, so, and up side we need 5 only. 1 2 3 4 5. So this much is sufficient. Then this toward this side only 3 unit, 1 2 3. So one extra I am taking so that it will be easier for us. This is x, this is x dash, this is y dash, this is y. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Do not get confused that number should be written this side or this side. You can write on any side, and here also this side or this side you can write any side, but it is good to write below. This side we don't need to write, you may write also, but it is not necessary as we don't have negative numbers here. Now 3 and 5, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Point is 3 5 lies here. So this is the plotting for question number A. This is for figure A for question number A. Then for B we have point minus 4 3. Means this side we need minus 4 and up we need 3. So we don't need this two side. So I am going to draw from this side here. This is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash, this is y. Now this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, and here 1 2 3 4. Now we have to plot this point minus 4 1 2 3. This lies here minus 4 3. So this plotting of this point B also finish. Now for C we have 2 minus 5. So this is towards x2 and below minus 5. We don't need this two side. So we can do like this. This side we don't need too much. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this side is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 0.2 and -5. So this lies here 2 minus 5. This is of question number C. Another last one remaining is D -3 minus 5. For this we need -3 toward this side and -5 toward this side. We don't need these two sides. So -3 means it will be sufficient. This is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash, here is -1, -2, -3, here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -3 -5, -3 is here and -5 is here. So this is the plotting of -3 -5. This is figure D. In this way we can plot by making separate Cartesian plane also. This we can do in one graph paper also, this in another graph paper also. This similarly we can draw on different graph paper. In this way we can plot this on 4 different graph paper also. So these are the different methods of plotting the order pairs or points.